Welcome back in on this weather impact alert day where we have active storms and possible severe storms across parts of the area, which is why we let you know weather impact alert day in effect through 7 o'clock this evening. An additional severe thunderstorm warning. I told you going into the commercial break out here across Defiance County because we've had actual reports now. This has been producing wind damage and likely large hail, so it's been coming out of Paulding County. Now just clipping northwestern Putnam County, southeastern Defiance County. That is right over there toward Ayersville. New severe thunderstorm warning, and I do suspect this does contain some larger hail. So this is a feature that highlights where the hail is. It's been crossing out of Paulding County, now likely crossing State Route 15 into southeastern Defiance County. Is what we could actually do with this, we could give you time of arrival where this is going next. 5:18, going to give you about 5 minutes, the worst of that storm. Where I think the hail is right there is just minutes away from Ayersville. It crosses over into Henry County towards New Bavaria right around 5:26. Then Holgate, you're a little bit closer to 5:30 that's going to be headed into Holgate as that moves to the north and east. Now, I know it's raining and storming in Holgate and New Bavaria, but this is the severe portion of the storm, and those are the times of arrival when it's going to be headed towards you. So what we've identified with this particular storm, a hail core that is aloft in this storm, and this is what we look at when we identify severe thunderstorms, where that hail may be aloft in the storms, and then it falls down to the ground, and where that could be occurring right now is over towards State Route 15 as it moves into Defiance County. Now, we do have some storms, non-severe right now in the Toledo Metro, from Monclova Township right through Holland, right along Airport Highway. Look at this heavy storm that is now crossing 475. Look over toward Rogers High School, Swan Creek Metro Park right here. Here's Reynolds. Headed north as we get some of the heavy rain and some storms that could be producing gusty winds into the Toledo Metro. It's a pretty narrow line of storms that will be marching to the east between now and about 7 p.m. This is an area that we've highlighted a risk of severe storms on a warm and humid afternoon. You kind of feel it in the air. We have surged again into the mid to upper 80s. Now, that alert day is going to continue through 7 o'clock tonight. Some winds and hail possible, and keep in mind, you can always follow along on the WTOL 11 weather app and our 24/7 radar, also on WTOL 11 Plus. Storms are going to be brief tonight. They're going to be gone. Severe weather threat done by about 7 tonight. A few lingering showers, and then a cold front that comes through tomorrow morning. That is going to bring a much cooler setting into Wednesday. A lot of cloud cover, and highs are going to be likely in the 60s as we go through Wednesday afternoon. So here's the change that we're going to be feeling after the storm threat diminishes tonight. Mostly to mainly cloudy skies tomorrow. 66 degrees the high, low 60s into Thursday. Dry weather. We do see 60s continue Friday, and then a warming trend into the weekend. Some rain chances Saturday, but highs close to 80 degrees as we get to Memorial Day through early next week.